We are back with yet another scanner. This time, we bring you the CZUR ET24 Pro, an incomparable premium scanning choice. Featuring 24 megapixels and 320 dpi, it offers you the ultimate crystal clear scanning quality. With the side light included, it greatly reduces the reflections when scanning glossy paper. It is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Stay tuned. This is Gadgets and Widgets.
When you need to scan something, whether it's a fat textbook or old records, you want a smooth, efficient, seamless experience. But in reality, that's not quite what scanning is known to be. This is where CZUR comes in. We've been making scanning smart for years, from portable, lightweight scanners that you can carry with you everywhere, to high-end scanners that can scan entire books within minutes. We are now bringing you our most advanced scanning technology with the highest resolution yet. Say hello to the CZUR ET24 Pro, giving you faster, higher quality scans than ever before. With 24 megapixel resolution, 320 dpi, and 24-bit color depth, which gives you better contrast and sharpness, so you can capture precise details while scanning anything from pictures, documents, and books, to large blueprints, newspapers, and magazines. Speaking of which, glossy pages? We've got you covered. The ET24 Pro comes with detachable side lights that reduce glare, giving you clear and crisp scans. You can scan entire books or hundreds of documents within minutes at the blazing fast speed of 1 second per page. The scanner button and the classic foot pedal increase your scanning efficiency, and the patented Laser Curve-Flatten Technology gives you flat scans for the thickest books. With the ET24 Pro, scan large-sized documents by stitching scans together seamlessly. Take advantage of the HDMI port so you can present your scans directly to any screen. The ever-improving OCR now supports more than 180 languages. The CZUR app provides a range of useful functionality like auto page mending, smart paging, auto alignment, and a lot more. After 5 successful crowdfunding campaigns, raising more than $7 million and delivering scanners to over 300,000 customers globally, we at CZUR want to give you the most premium, most efficient, and the highest quality scanning experience yet. Back us today to secure your CZUR ET24 Pro and make scanning simple, efficient, and seamless.